Hey guys, do you want to know how to achieve this beautiful simple look? Here we go. Got my Sheet Glam primer. You can see my face is very shiny, and then I follow that with my Estee Lauder skin tint. It's very light. The color match is incredible. As you can see, it's literally like my skin color. It's very light on the skin. It's beautiful. I highly recommend it. Just blending it through my entire face. And it is so beautiful, you have no idea. Now I'm going in with my blush, squeeze it, and it's a beautiful pink color. This is by MCO Beauty. It's quite affordable as well, and I'm just blending it with fine beauty makeup brush, and there I am, beating my face. Now I'm going to go in with my beauty concealer by Bobbi Brown. It's very beautiful, almost like my skin color, which I like because I like very subtle look. I don't like it to be too bright, not for this look anyway. Just going in, there you go, you can see it a shade lighter but not too light. That's how I like it. And I'm just going to blend with a small concealer brush, which is the Stigma brush that I'm using. Blending away as you do. I think the makeup is all about blending, making sure that nothing is left unblended. And I'm just blending it on my cheeks there. And here I go in with my setting powder, Laura Mercier, the beautiful powder from them. Just setting the areas that I had put concealer on. It is very beautiful. It's very natural looking. I like it simple again. Now I'm going in with my brow pencil from Revlon number 2020, which is dark brown or black brown. And I am just going to go over that. Struggling a little bit because I had a bit of moisture in my brows even though I put powder down. So I do recommend you do your brows before you moisturize your face. But it's not looking too bad. Look at that. She's very cute. Now I'm going to go in with a concealer. What do you call it? Not a concealer. A wand, like a brow wand. And I've gone and got some gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going through my brows with that. And that looked good. Now I've got my Christian Dior blush. Oh my god, look at that. That's so beautiful. It's a rose color for me. Absolutely stunning. I don't have any lighting so you can't see it very well. Now I'm going in with my Revlon lip stay. And you missed the chunk there because my camera died. My phone died actually. But there's the final look, and I'm just using my fan to dry and make sure everything is set. And my setting spray is by Charlotte Tilbury. And now I'm just going in with my eyeliner from Chi. And there you go. It is absolutely stunning. I think I didn't do too bad for an everyday sort of look. Obviously I'm quite new here, but hopefully I'll get better with these videos as I go. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Bye.